Guys. Hello. Hi, Footsie. Hello, Brian. Hello. Hello to my Footsie. Hello to my Footsie. My little dirty Footsie, Brian. Let's go to school today. I'm done. I'm here at the house now. Lick it. Like that. How to lick Footsie like that. Like that. I will lick by my gun. Hello, Crispy. Good afternoon. Wala akong boses. Beautiful teacher. Thank you so much, Crispy. Wala akong boses. Wala akong boses. No, I will do it for you. Okay, do it for me. Saan ka nag-concert? Wala akong boses kasi nauubo. Kaya di ako nakapag-live kasi ngayon lang lumabas yung boses ko, Crispy. Diyos ko, Brian. May alip po nga. May buni pa, oh. Oh, tignan mo. May buni pa. Diyan ka, maraming alip po nga. Wala akong boses. Ungang boses. Kasi nag-concert ako kagabi. Kasama kami ni Elias. Noob. I'm not a noob. Crispy, magkasama kami ni Elias kagabi. Nag-concert kami. Alam mo yon? Kilala mo yon? Are you at home? Yeah. I'm done in school, Brian. Sino yun? Yung ano, yung magaling yung singer. Katong yung magaling sumayaw. Nun sa Facebook. Yung magaling sumayaw. You got sick? Yeah. I got sick for almost 5 days. That's why I didn't go to live. I didn't go live. My little footsie got sick, Brian. I'm still sick, but it's okay. Oh, didn't know that. Yeah. You should know that. Hello, Ellie. Good afternoon. Pagaw lang sa takaron. Good afternoon, 5 viewers. I was at work. Oh, you got called by your supervisor, Brian. You will be terminated. You want that, Brian? You want to be kicked off at work? Why are you using cell phone while at work? If I was your supervisor, I will kick you off. I will kick you off. Good afternoon, 7 million viewers. Yep, busy schedule. YouTube is banned. Why? Why, Kuan? Why YouTube get banned? Can't use VPN either. Why? You have VPN, Brian? Did you have VPN? Can you please boost my account? Brian, is that okay? Can you please boost my account? What do you mean boost? You set your VPN in any country, then you can watch my popular videos, then watch the ads on my videos, my popular videos, so that my account will get boosted.